All right, we're gonna get this pace arrow tore down. We gotta get it down to the chassis of the drivetrain so we can get the other one going. So really, I mean, first things first, we just need to rip out the things that we want to use in here. Oh no, this. Oh.
What?
Oh, there's a wasp ball in there still.
Still in there?
Yeah, oh yeah. Yep.
Yeah, there it is.
Yep. All right. Well, on this episode, we're actually going to be working on this other one over here.
I got it. I'll get the wasp spray.
Huh?
I'll get the wasp spray.
Apparently Mitch has this under control. He's going to
that's a scary thought.
figure out something.
A few moments later.
I think we got him.
That was your plan?
Holy crap.
Hey Mitch, you do realize there's like 5 gallons of gasoline feet from what you did there?
Yeah, careful. Extinguish.
So teardown's going pretty good so far. We started with just a lot of the loose stuff. Now we're just taking all the burnable stuff out. Mitch is gonna get started on the glass now, so we'll be doing that next. Let's have us a friendly competition. Let's say that imaginary line right there.
Okay. Wouldn't hit the window?
Yep. We'll go double overhand.
Oh.
Overhead. First shot.
First shot. I gotta get the other one. Go get it.
Go get it, boy.
Dollar says he misses it.
This is probably not a good idea.
There's gonna be glass everywhere. My grandkids are gonna be out here cutting their hands on
Kind of
glass.
thinking about my truck being in the background here.
Don't go that hard.
I gotta figure out what.
Dollar says he misses it.
Shit balls. Kyle.
Bless him. You'll be alright.
That's my good hammer.
There was glass stuck embedded in the hammer.
Was your good hammer.
Ah. Okay.
Oh, that was like dead nuts.
Dead nuts. Not to the side, not the edge.
And you're going for the door glass. Smaller target, bigger points. Let's see it.
Oh, high. I went high.
Yeah.
There we go. Yeah, form. There's the form there.
Hey, good job, buddy. So we're to the point now that a bunch of major components need to start coming out, bigger components. Just the doorway is just not big enough for some of these components. They were probably put in here first and then the walls put around it. So we're just gonna make a bigger door. Just trying to be as efficient as we can with our time. We figured we could cut it out with a sawzall and everything, but I think we might have a quicker way of doing this. It took the hinge, that's it. Oh no, there's part of the... I just tore it apart, that's all.
Yeah, it worked.
Kinda.
We just need to get another grip. It worked.
Go again?
Yeah.
All right.
That way.
Go forward.
Broke the strap.
Now, what we see here is science in action in front of us. What happened there, instead of the chair coming through the wall, we merely broke the strap. But the strap came back with such pizzazz, such oomph, it embedded itself back into the wall.
And that's why I told bitch toe strap and not a tow hook. You know?
Well, it didn't go through your window. It went back to this direction. So in theory, you're pretty good.
But
Actually, it didn't even break the strap. It broke the stitches.
You got your thread and needle here?
oh, well, see here's the deal. Like, but if it would have broke on that end, it would have went through the truck. So that's why you gotta smart.
I think we need to try this again.
Dude, this didn't even like try.
No, that thing's freaking down there.
All right, well that didn't work out as planned. So what we've done is we've come through and tied what you would call a Boy Scout knot of some sort. I'm not a really Boy Scout, so we're gonna try this again. Hopefully get the results we were looking for. Another attempt, another Boy Scout knot. As suspected, third time's a charm. Seat came right out. Now we have a little bit bigger access panel.
All right.
There was some metal in there. Look at that. Got it. Got it.
It's a classic sideshow episode. It's I'm Cameron, Mitch is walking around smoking cigarettes, Kyle's doing all the work. Uh-oh.
Come on with me now. So day 2, we finally got our big roll off here on site. So time to get a bunch more of these bigger pieces, i.e. this big piece over into it. That's the plan anyway. I'm going to try to do some precision cutting in key areas and try to take it as one chunk. It's probably not going to work out that way, but we're going to have fun trying. But I'm going to get up here inside right now, try to get this air conditioner off the roof and find more metal studs in there.
While Kyle's in there handling the AC, I'm going to be outside working on getting this back panel cut. We got the sides about done. Might need to clip a couple things here and there, but we should be getting pretty close to being able to just take this top off, lift it off, throw it in the dumpster, and move on to the next bit and getting the chassis stripped and hopefully have some serious progress or visual progress for today. Be real careful now getting that off the roof.
Huh?
Be real careful now getting that off the roof.
Like, I really got the. Oh no!
Whoa! Oh. Well, that was a good unit.
It might still work.
Maybe.
Something inside there.
Should be the last 4 foot we got from.
You got a wall there.
Yeah, from there to right over there. Do not try this at home.
Oh, it's the tub. The shower's inside there. I'm hitting the back side of the shower.
See, that was the problem. That blade was for I-beams, not for showers.
So at this point, we've completed all the structural compromising we think we're going to do. We have placed the strap in key structural points of the vehicle, or at least what we determined to be key. We've attached the other end of said strap to Andrew's truck, so you can see where we're going with this.
Yeah, so, trying to work smart, not hard.
Work smart, not hard. So
yeah, we will strategically decap the RV, fold and place gently in the whatever you call that, 30-yard dumpster.
Okay. Well, let's see it.
Let's see what.
Give her some more. Give her one more. Give her a good one. That's probably all we're gonna get there. He gonna keep trying though. One more, buddy. We got her. Now we're about to flip the dumpster now. Hang on, let's restrap. We gotta get toward the back here a little better. Oh man, there's a complete discology or disc, whatever you call it, of Game of Thrones in here, man. There's like 50 CDs, DVDs.
Ooh, winter's coming.
Well, that didn't go exactly to plan, but pretty good. I think one of us is gonna have to get up there and put that strap on the ladder.
Yeah.
I think it should be you.
Yeah. That really screams Kyle.
You holding the camera though, ain't you?
Yeah. Someone has to hold the camera. The ladder is still structurally secure.
It is, but the structure is not secure. You gonna just bounce up there?
Yeah. Careful on the glass. Don't cut yourself. Lacerations are the #1 thing. Whoa.
Oh, perfection. Look at that. Look at it. Are you looking? She's in the dumpster. Well, good thing we went with this exact size dumpster.
Yeah.
Or this exact size RV.
It's true.
We might have a little cleanup to do though.
Yeah, there's still a bit.
Some interior walls. But for the most part, that was rather easy. Got a lot done today. Basically got the whole house tore off it, just doing some minor cleanup stuff. Last thing to go, Crapper here. Buddy Tom showed up and just had to let him in on the fun of taking this thing apart, so just let him take this one.
Crapper removed.
Down to just the floor now. Steve-O showed up, so Steve-O and Andrew are probably going to try to handle getting whatever fasteners are necessary to get the floor off of here. I'm going to start taking a bunch of measurements between this one and the Brave, figure out how to combine the two, and yeah, got shade today.
Well, we think we got all the bolts cut loose. I think next step is we're gonna get all the junk cleaned off, take it outside, see if we can't lift this bed piece off here and dispose of it, and then get down to the next step. Going for a nice Sunday cruise. RV lives.
Well, some of the RV lives.
Weight reduction achieved. Runs like a top.
Wind in my hair.
Ah. Quiet down. I'd say today was a success.
Today was a good day.
Till tomorrow. Well, you know the deal by now. Strap, truck, off. Let's do it.
Give her the beans!
Beans already?
Beans! She might still be bolted down. Take two, let's try her again. Go for it. Damn it.
Come on.
No. Try it from the other direction this time. She'll go.
It's not gonna go.
Good?
Sure. And Mitch said it wouldn't work.
My idea is what made it work.
Yeah. Mitch said it was his idea is why it worked that time.
Yeah, that's. He hasn't been here the whole time. We've been successful. Makes sense.
You weren't successful.
Yeah, we were.
The floor's on the ground.
Yeah, we're ready to fucking get the other one.
When I showed up, you tried and it failed. I get here and Steve-O and I talk about this and we assess the situation. We come up with a plan and it worked.
Well, floor's on the ground. That's all that matters.
Yep.
Now one of y'all get to pick it up since you showed up late.
Physics. That's all I gotta say.
Yeah. All right, we got the floor off. There's tons of metal on it, but it's too heavy to lift up and scrap. So we're going to go ahead and use the Scrap Maker 3000 here and get this floor all burnt off. Take the scrap metal and
Get rid of it.
Get rid of it. We'll be good to go. Here we go.
Light it.